Kapamilya primetime actress Janine Gutierrez and Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle Marquez D. led the Paskong TernoCon 2023 at SM Aura last Saturday. The fashion show is a collaboration between SM Supermalls, Bench Lifestyle and Clothing, and the Cultural Center of the Philippines. This year, Paskong TernoCon 2023 featured Philippines fashion icons Joey Samson and Leslie Mobo. First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, Taguig City Mayor Lani Cayetano, SM Supermalls President Steven Tan, Richard Gomez and wife Lucy were among the VIP who graced the show.